Hello, welcome back to my channel. I have not been riding as much as I wanted to recently because last time I tried to go ride, I noticed that my clutch lever was getting stuck. When I would pull in the clutch, it would stay pulled in and it wouldn't release, and it was getting me worried. So I didn't get any footage of the clutch being stuck, but I was trying to figure out for the longest time why that was happening. I did end up unscrewing the nut at the bottom of the bolt, and that was the key to help me realize the fact that the bolt was binding to the lever, which is not supposed to be happening. When I would pull in the clutch, it would just stay pulled in and it wouldn't release when I would let go. And I kind of want to talk about it because I did figure out why that was happening and how to fix it. So every time I would squeeze the clutch lever or pull it in, the bolt would go with it and kind of spin with it. As you can see here, I think the reason that it did that was because it was really rusted. And so you'd think, okay, the simple solution is to just get that bad boy out of there. And it was a struggle. I needed some help. We resulted to cutting it a little bit and also trying to lubricate it and just get it out. As you can see, it's just completely rusted. And so the solution is just to lube it up and kind of clean it up, get rid of the rust, make sure that it goes in smoothly and it's not catching or binding. And then you basically put everything back together. But a good tip is to keep this area lubricated, especially if you're in conditions where you experience a lot of weather, a lot of rain. I've heard this is really common for Hondas. Actually, this guy at the local dealership that I go to said that, and I didn't know that. So let me know if anyone else has experienced something like this. But yeah, I just wanted to take some time to share this with you guys in case anyone else has experienced something like this. When this happened to me, I had no idea what to do or what was causing it, and so I tried looking it up online. I wasn't really getting that much information. Thankfully, we were able to figure it out, but it's so dangerous and scary, and I did not feel comfortable riding at all. But of course, now that it's fixed, I feel more comfortable going out riding. And this is just one of the many other things that you have to do for your bike maintenance. As I've said before, riding a motorcycle is an ongoing journey. Just because you get your license, you've been on the road, even for a few years you've been riding, there's still so much more to learn about the bike and how to handle it, how to maintain it. And I'm just along for the journey, and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.